Hi friends, today I will be doing two science experiments about air pressure. The first one is called crush with air, where we will use air pressure to crush this water bottle. The second one is called seal with air, where we'll flip this glass over with a piece of cardboard and the air pressure will make sure the water doesn't fall out. Let's get started. Okay, so for crush with air, you'll need hot water, make sure there's steam coming. You'll need cold water. Ice is optional, but I'm not using ice here. You'll need some type of container and a plastic water bottle. Okay, the procedure is first you want to pour a bit of the hot water. Until you see that it's steamed up a bit. And now you want to close the cap. You don't need the hot water, keep it away. Now you want to take the cold water and pour it on top. Now friends, do you see that this plastic water bottle has been crushed? Now if you think you can do more, you can use more cold water. Hear it popping? I'm going to stop. Now, look at this water bottle. It used to be full like this one, but now, because when I pour the cold water on top of this water bottle, it's filled with steam, you see? And because the steam condenses or turns into water from water vapor, when that happens, there is a low pressure in the water bottle because water takes up less space than steam. And then the higher air pressure around us wants to crush the water bottle to take up that space. That's why you get a water bottle that is crushed inwards because of air. Okay, now we'll be doing the seal with air experiment. You will need a piece of cardboard, a container to prevent spills, 2 glasses filled with water, and that's it. Now we will start. You want to take one glass, put it in your container, and use the other glass and fill it almost to the top. Now you want to take the piece of cardboard, put it on top of the glass, and flip it over. Now when you let go, it will stay there. This happens because of air pressure. Air pressure is pushing against us from all sides. We just don't feel it because we are adapted to it. It's even pushing from below. That's why, because of air pressure, the air pressure is pushing this cardboard against the glass full of water. This can show how strong air pressure can get. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something new about air pressure. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.